Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to install Node.js onto Windows. So first of all, open the command prompt. Here type cmd and open it. After that, just type node-version and press enter. So you can see here the node version 20.18 is installed. Since I have installed it earlier, so the version is visible here. Now go to the browser and in the URL type Node.js download and hit enter. So here click on the first link, Node.js download. Now here you can see there are various ways to install Node.js. Here we will select pre-built installer. Here we will select the version that we want to install. So we will select the latest version, that is version 23.3. After that, here select the Windows operating system, and after that select the 64 bits. You can check this configuration into the control panel of your computer. After that, press on the download Node.js button and the downloading will start. After the download is completed, press on the download and run. Wait for some times and then hit next. Accept the terms and conditions and hit next. Again next, next, next. And install. The installation process of Node.js has started. This might take some time to install. Okay, now the installation is completed. Press finish and the Node.js has been installed into your system. Now again open the command prompt and type node dash dash version and press enter. Here now you can see the latest node version, that is version 23.3.0 is installed into your system. Thanks for watching the video.